It's pathetic.
Saw through my disguise, huh? The rumors about you are true. You're good. All right. I'll be your apprentice and you'll be my trainer.
Huh?
And afterward, you've got to show me how to do that sexy jutsu thing you did on Grandpa Hokage.
This is some kind of joke, isn't it?
No, I need a new trainer. Please, boss.
Huh? Boss?
Yeah, you're the boss. Boss, boss, boss.
Well, how can I refuse? Listen, you want to be a master ninja? Then believe it. You gotta learn to control your Katra.
Your Katra? A cat?
I said your Katra.
Boss, I think you're talking about chakra.
Don't question me. Real ninjas say Katra.
Really? I didn't know that. That's cool.
He believes anything I say. Listen, I'll explain what chakra is.
Chakra is the elemental life energy that is used to perform jutsu.
Huh?
The ninja arts combine physical energy from each cell in the body with mystical energy which is intensified through training and experience. When these two chakra mix, special hand signs allow the ninja to focus this combined energy for advanced jutsu.
Know it all! You were just reading that whole thing! Yo, you can blab all you want about how to do ninja techniques, but it really comes down to one thing.
What is it?
Just plain hard work and guts.
That's two things, but okay, I'm with you.
All right, I'm gonna throw some really big challenges at you now. Are you ready?
I'm ready, boss!
Good. Then let's do it. Show me a transformation.
Huh?
Believe it. Show me what you can do and I'll take you to the next level.
Oh, right, sure, but what do I transform into? There. Yeah, right. You can transform into her. No problem. Here I go, boss. Transform!
Well, do I look like her?
The clothes kind of look like her.
That looks like me.
Now, honorable grandson, next time you transform into me, make me a little cuter, okay? Ta!
She's scary.
You did it. Why am I the one that gets whacked around?